Oh, definitely Wolfgang. That leaf blower was one of those, wasn't it? Okay, I'm gonna try to enter over there to that building and see what's the deal with the cable cars. Gotta keep it authentic. A good old leaf blower will solve the problem. Okay, we're back in the beach. Oh, it's back, Akira.
Guys! River!
Right over there. Oh, really, Wolfgang? What are they using instead? How about the electric leaf blowers? Those should be more quiet. Oh, the disco bar. La Capri Beach Club. This is where it happens. We got moves like Jagger. All Clay's right now is the only bloke out here wiping it up. But I believe, you know, when the time is right, doors will be open, people be dancing. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Woo. Okay, going up here. Let's see what's happening. Whew. Honestly, it started to get hotter and hotter the more I'm walking. Any stairs going up from here? No. Unless there are elevators over here. Teatro Club. Oh, nice. Good little shade spot here again. Gotta make the champagne extra tasty indeed. The more you work it, the better champagne tastes. Oh, serious, that would be crazy. Oh, no cameras allowed. Nobody's in the bar. How did I get up earlier? I think I took this path, didn't it? Or maybe it was the other side. Must have been this side then.